Today, we are discussing a question that has sparked a lot of interest in India. Have Myanmar rebels captured a significant portion of Bangladesh? To understand this, let's first establish some context. It is widely acknowledgeable that the Myanmar army currently has little to no control over the Bangladesh-Myanmar border. Instead, this region is dominated by rebels, particularly the Arakan army, who have taken control of the border area. This fact is largely accepted by many observers. Reports have been emerging in India claiming that the Arakan army is slowly advancing into Bangladeshi territory. If you look online or on social media, you will find numerous articles, videos, and posts from people sharing their observation and source. Some even claim that the Agar Khan army has captured around 271 km of the border and established control over part of Bangladeshi land. Now, you might wonder why this news is not being widely reported in Bangladesh. Let me explain. If something similar happened between India and China, Indian media would immediately cover it. However, the situation in Bangladesh is different. Bangladesh media is far from free. Ever since Sheikh Hasina was removed from power, the government led by Muhammad Yusuf has taken control. There is still confusion surrounding how Yusuf come to power and the criteria for his selection. Nonetheless, he is currently the most powerful man in Bangladesh. Elections, which were expected within a few months of his appointment, have been delayed indefinitely. According to recent statements by Yunus, election might only happen at the end of 2025 or early 2026. Until then, the people of Bangladesh have no option to vote, and the government continue to rule unchallenged. The state of press in Bangladesh has further deteriorated. Numerous journalists have credentials revoked by the government, effectively silencing them. Even outlets like Voice of America, a US government-funded news service, had reported that over 50 journalists in Bangladesh has lost their residential. The Reporters Guild of Bangladesh has openly stated the press is no longer free, make it nearly impossible to get a clear picture of what happening it. To get a clear picture of what is happening, the lack of transparency raises question about whether the Akram Khan army, possibly with support from outside force, might be attempting to extend part of Bangladesh to create a new state. Such theories are gaining traction, especially since from Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina was claimed that she had received offer from powerful countries to allow such a development. The region around Teknaf has reportedly since increased activity from rebels group. While it is challenging to verify the exact extent of their advancement into Bangladesh due to lack of free media, it is clear that the situation is geopolitically significant. According to Complexity is the role of the Rapid Action Battalion, a controversial law enforcement group in Bangladesh. RAB was formed under Sheikh Hasina's leadership but now faces calls from its dissolution under Muhammad Yunus. The group's former director had warned that Myanmar's growing aggression, fueled by tension, but the Myanmar army, the Arakan army, and the Bangladesh could lead to further conflict. As of now, one thing is certain: the Bangladesh-Myanmar border is highly unstable. Will the Myanmar army has lost control of the region? It remains to be seen how much of Bangladesh territory the rebels can occupy and how the Bangladeshi government will respond. I will continue monitoring the situation and provide updates as more information become available. Finally, here's a question for you. Which country has recently tested a hypersonic missile named Dark Eagle? Is it India, USA, Australia, China? Let me know your answer in the comments below. I will personally like the comments with the correct answer to help others learn as well. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.